Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Robinhood does it again. Look on the screen and you can see it. FDIC insurance increase. What does this mean? FDIC insurance is all about insuring the money that you have in the bank. Now, remember, Robinhood is not a bank, but what it does do is through other custodians, it protects your money. That's how it works. So it acts like a bank. Okay, even though it isn't a bank, or we've discussed before SIPC, how your stocks are protected the same way through a custodian's. Robinhood never own your, they never own your stocks, and then they never own your cash either. It's all insured and protected elsewhere. That's what FDIC insurance is, and today they have increased it up to 2 million. Now, to give an example of how good that is, most banks are 1.5 million. You put your money in Bank of America, you've got 1.5 million of insurance. Robinhood, once again, wants to go above and beyond, and it's why I use it. It's why I invest in it. It's why I believe it's the best brokerage. I've tested them all, and Robinhood itself has a 10x of my share price. And the only people who complain about Robinhood to me all the time in my comments on YouTube are young, inexperienced investors that aren't actually investors at all, that got into Robinhood through COVID and started gambling on GameStop, and they got all upset because Robinhood wouldn't let them get out of the stock. Well, Robinhood did the right thing to protect the markets. Other brokerages did it, but other brokerages like Schwab, Merrill Lynch, they don't have lots of very young, impressionable, inexperienced traders as Robinhood does. And they all got on their computers and like out on Reddit, all talking rubbish. And it was there to protect the market, and they did a good job, and they did the responsible thing. So putting those people to one side who haven't got a clue what it is to invest, they're just more interested in just gambling and talking rubbish. Putting those people to one side, we're investors. And for me, it's very, very important to have this sort of insurance. $2 million of insurance. So what that means is you can put $2 million of uninvested money into Robinhood, and you will earn 4.65. Let me share with you. This is why I do it. 4.65%, which is better than anywhere else. I can't find anywhere that will give me 4.65% on my uninvested cash. And it's invested and it's insured up to $2 million. So should Robinhood, in the unlikely event, go bankrupt, disappear, they're never running off with your shares. They're never going to run off with your money. They can't anyway, but it's insured up to 2 million. So we've made videos before. If you want to go and check out my videos, look up here. It'll take you to the video that explains all about the insurance for your stocks. What if your brokerage went bankrupt? What would happen? The video above my head, when this video goes out, I'm making it during a live show, will tell you what happens if your brokerage goes bankrupt and how you are protected. Okay, so this is about the cash though. This is not about the stocks. This is about the cash. You now have uninvested cash of 2 million, which is better than any bank that I know. Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. I bank with those and they don't offer me 2 million worth of insurance. So another top trump there for Robinhood. I love it. Let me quickly go over to my stocks and share with you my Robinhood position. And Robinhood, as you can see, this is not an investment for those who mess around on GameStop and all that kind of stuff. Those who have no idea about investing, this isn't for you. You need to go somewhere else. But however, if you are interested in making a 10x, I believe this is the one for me. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not sponsored by Robinhood to say this. This is what I believe. This is my real money. I'm 8% up on my Roth IRA, where I can trade tax-free. Thank you, Robinhood. And I'm up 10.3% on my main account. I will pay tax on that, but I'm not going to sell that. And there's probably every likelihood in 10 years that Robinhood will move into a dividend stock. That's more than likely what they'll do once they've hit their S-curve and the stock calms down. Hasn't even started growing yet. Anyway, that's my opinion. That's my thoughts. Another great day for Robinhood. Leave me your thoughts below. As always, smash the like button. If you've not subscribed and rung the bell, you want to, because tomorrow, live on our show, we're giving away $100 in cash or $150 to your favorite registered charity. How flipping cool is that? All right, there we go. Thank you very much for joining us. We're on a live show right now, so I've got to get back to everybody. So everybody else, ignore I'm saying goodbye. You know this is live. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other.